Hey there, this is Eric Keller. Welcome to this Gnomon workshop series on modeling an anatomically correct and realistic Orchid Mantis. In this series, I'm going to take you through my process for modeling this mantis, this particular species of mantis in ZBrush. So we're going to start all the way at the beginning with ZSpheres and take it all the way through to the finished model. We're going to be doing polypainting. I'll show you how I set up UVs. We talk about Z-remesher, all these wonderful ZBrush tools, and also how to export the model, bring it into Marmoset Toolbag, where we complete the texturing and do some shading and actual rendering here within Toolbag.